Crowned with sunlight and wrapped in golden armor, the pineapple is a symbol of strength, warmth, and welcome. Native to South America, specifically the Paraguay-Brazil region, this striking fruit was revered by indigenous cultures as a sacred gift of nature. Even its outer pattern is a quiet marvel. Pineapples grow in spirals that follow the Fibonacci sequence, nature's own sacred code of beauty and balance. In the Tupi language, pineapples are called ananas, which mean excellent fruit. Pineapples were eaten fresh, fermented into sacred drinks, and used in ceremonies that honored the land. Once introduced to Europe, they became icons of prestige and hospitality, so rare that they were even rented just to show off at fancy gatherings. That's why you'll still see carved pineapples on old doors and gateways, on welcome signs and signs of encouragement, and even tableware. It was, and still is, all about generosity and care. For me, the pineapple has always symbolized softness wrapped in strength. Even in the field, straw is gently layered over the plant, likely to protect it from sun scald and preserve moisture. That quiet gesture of care reminds me that true nourishment takes time, attention, and love. Especially when considering that a pineapple can take up to 2 years to grow. Though most of the world still calls it ananas, English speakers named it pineapple, struck by its resemblance to a pine cone and its sweet apple-like flavor. Beyond its symbolism, pineapple delivers the kind of nourishment that supports body and spirit. Let's take a closer look. One medium pineapple, weighing 905 grams, has 452 calories. It's got 119 grams carbs, 13 grams fiber, 89 grams sugar, 4.9 grams protein, and 1.1 grams fat. It's got vitamin C, B6, B9, B1, A, and K, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, manganese, and iron. Pineapple also contains bromelain, a strong digestive enzyme with anti-inflammatory benefits. Pineapple supports wellness on many levels. Its enzyme, bromelain, promotes smoother digestion and calms inflammation in the body. With a powerful dose of vitamin C, it strengthens the immune system and supports radiant skin. The mineral content, especially potassium and magnesium, helps regulate hydration and blood flow. And on an emotional level, pineapple's bright scent and natural sweetness can refresh your mood and provide a gentle energy lift when you need it most. So, how do you pick the perfect pineapple? And how do you keep it from going to waste? Let's break it down. Choose a pineapple that smells sweet at the base and feels heavy for its size. The skin should be mostly golden with flat, even eyes, and the crown should look fresh and green. Avoid anything too orange or fermented smelling. You can store a whole pineapple at room temperature for a day or two. Once cut, refrigerate it in an airtight container for up to 5 days. For longer storage, cube and freeze it in a single layer before transferring it to a freezer-safe container. The best way to enjoy a pineapple is fresh and fully ripe. As a subacid fruit, pineapple pairs best with other subacid fruits like kiwi and berries, as well as sweet fruits like banana, mango, and papaya. It also complements leafy greens beautifully, making it a versatile ingredient for both sweet and savory creations. For a quick, refreshing salad, toss fresh greens of your choice with pineapple cubes, a few sprigs of mint, and a splash of citrus juice. or blend it into a smoothie with banana or mango and a handful of microgreens for a tropical fusion that's both nourishing and delicious. For extra benefits, include the core when blending. It's rich in bromelain, the pineapple's powerful digestive enzyme. And the pineapple makes a perfect snack when combined with a fresh basil leaf and placed on a pitted date. Simple, fresh, and full of vibrant flavor. Pineapple, a golden offering from the tropics. It shows us that strength can wear a crown and still be soft in the center. Tended with care and revered for centuries, it's a symbol of patience, grounded growth, and generous welcome. It reminds us that what takes time to grow holds the deepest sweetness, and that nourishment begins in quiet devotion long before the harvest. And if you haven't yet joined, I'd love to welcome you into the Fruitful Soul Society, a space filled with free downloads and seasonal magic. This week, in honor of the pineapple, you'll find a new mandala coloring sheet and a tropical pineapple ginger smoothie recipe card waiting just for you. Click the link in the description to check it all out. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.